Welcome to another speaking practice video. You guys seem to like the first one, so I decided that I will do one new video like this once a week. For you guys that are here for the first time, this is an exercise called shadowing. If you want to hear a little bit more about it, you can hit the link here. Basically though, as I read this passage, say it along with me, trying to mimic me as close as you can. The words will be on the side of the screen so you can follow along, but also down below there will be a PDF linked so you can practice on your own, as well as a link to just the audio of this exercise. This passage is on career development while working from home. All right, here we go. Working from home might feel a bit isolating, especially when you're just starting out in your career. But there's no need to worry because you can still develop your career and build your professional network from the comfort of your home. Here's how. First, let's talk about professional development. Even though you're not in a traditional office, you can still learn and grow. Take advantage of online courses, webinars, and certifications that are related to your field. For example, if you're in marketing, you can take a Google Analytics course to boost your digital skills. Websites like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or even YouTube offer a wealth of knowledge that can help you build new skills or deepen the ones you already have. To stay consistent, set aside time each week to focus on learning something new, whether it's a software tool, a soft skill, or industry trends. Even a little bit of learning can go a long way. This not only boosts your knowledge, but also shows your employer that you're proactive about your growth. Networking from home is definitely possible too. Start by connecting with colleagues and industry peers on LinkedIn. Joining virtual groups and forums can be a great way to initiate those connections. Don't be shy about reaching out to people you admire in your field. A polite message can lead to valuable connections. Also, attend online industry events, webinars, and meetups. These are all great opportunities to introduce yourself to others and engage in meaningful conversations. Another tip is to maintain visibility within your current workplace. Make sure you are regularly checking in with your manager and teammates, not just about work tasks, but also to share your ideas and offer to help on new projects. Specifically, if you notice a gap in your team's workflow, you can suggest a new tool or method in order to streamline processes. This demonstrates your initiative and keeps you on their radar. You know you are an important part of the team, but you don't want them to forget it. Lastly, keep up with your personal branding. Frequently update your LinkedIn profile and share relevant articles or insights. This helps you establish yourself as someone who's knowledgeable and engaged in your industry, even if you're not physically present in the office. By staying proactive, you can continue to grow your career, make connections, and build a strong professional reputation, all while working from home. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I encourage you to keep practicing this over and over to a point where you don't have to rely on the script so that you can build your fluency. Stay tuned for next week's video. Goodbye for now.